I already used this to clean this. Just sharpen it up. Just chopstick. Go on the other side. Clean it up. I already got that out, so that's what we already did. This is the problem one. The stem goes down in the bong. Go away from the threads. Oh my, that's a tough one. Oh, shit. Now it's shooting out everywhere. Oh man, got on my shirt. God damn. I guess I should have put my gloves on. Wow. All that jammed up in there. Let's get this out of the way. Damn. That's bad news. Just need to make sure it's cleaned off before I pull it back. I'll just push it all the way through. Alright, here we go.